There's like shark teeth buried in sand and you can look for them.
I'm so excited! Hi guys!
Okay. We are on Caspertson Beach. Hey guys, so it's beautiful here. We just arrived. Turns out like there are a lot of people looking for shark teeth here, and someone told us that there's a beach here in Sarasota where there's like shark teeth buried in sand and you can look for them. So I'm guessing it's this beach. If we find anything, we'll tell you. But other than that, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Now there's like this little deck here. And as I said, we'll tell you if we find any shark teeth. Nico's looking over here. Nico, what are you doing?
I'm looking for shells and stuff.
What about shark teeth? Yeah, you're looking for shark teeth? Mm-hmm. Have you found any?
No, I only have shells.
Hi guys, so we're done at the beach. We're gonna head on to our hotel now. It was a lot of fun, but we didn't really find any shark teeth. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Anyway guys, subscribe please. Thank you so much for watching. No, I'm not crying. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Guys, do you know what this is? This is under a microscope. Guess what? It's a napkin. That's what a napkin looks like under a microscope. So if you use a napkin, you're in trouble. Hi guys, so today is our last day in Florida. I'm stunned. Okay, can you tell us anything?
My mom is wearing flip-flops.
Oh, it's filming. Oh, there's pretzel, but no.